Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the size of the tool on the Sketches application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the 3 point of the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings section, and here you can find the tool size option and just tap on it, and you can select small or large option. Select one and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.